Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenAI Assistants API with Make.com workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your OpenAI account. Navigate to the API section on the OpenAI website. Obtain your API key. Keep this key secure, as it will be used to authenticate your requests. Open a new tab and go to Make.com. Log into your Make.com account. Create a new scenario by clicking on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Builder, click on the plus icon to add a new module. Search for HTTP in the module options. Select the Make a Request option from the HTTP module. In the URL field, enter the OpenAI API endpoint you wish to connect to. For example, use the text completion endpoint for generating text. Set the method to post. Scroll down to the Headers section. Add a new header with the key authorization. For the value, use bearer followed by your API key. Next, locate the Body section. Select the appropriate content type, usually application/JSON. In the body, input the required parameters for your request. For example, include the prompt and any other settings you wish to apply. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, click on OK. Test the HTTP module by clicking on the Run Once button. If the request is successful, you will receive a response from the OpenAI API. Review the output to ensure that it meets your expectations. You can then use this output in later steps of your Make.com workflow. To continue building your scenario, add additional modules as needed. You might want to integrate with other applications or services based on the API response. Once your scenario is complete, click on Save. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.